If you don't like wasting time but love making money, then stick around. We're diving into the best tips for earning cash with online surveys. Online surveys are a goldmine for extra income. Sign up, create a profile, and start taking surveys that match your demographics. It's like online dating, but instead of finding love, you're finding cash. Focus on reputable survey sites with good reviews and reliable payouts. Diversify your platforms to maximize opportunities and look out for bonus rewards. Consistency is key. Dedicate time each day, even if it's just 15 minutes. Avoid scams by steering clear of unrealistic promises and upfront fees. Track your earnings with a spreadsheet to see which sites pay best. And there you have it, a roadmap to survey success. Smash that like button if you found this helpful, and subscribe for more money-making tips. Happy earning!